Hello, I am Nancy from CSP Group. Our company is specialized in manufacturing water heater, including solar water heater, electric water heater, gas water heater, and LPG cylinder, fully automated production line manufacturers, and total solution provider. Video is the electric water heater production line project that we did in 2014 and 2015. We have been engaged in this industry for more than 30 years in more than 20 countries and regions all over the world. We have done a lot of successful projects such as India, Mexico, Vietnam, UAE, Kuwait, Greece, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, etc. Our company can provide a complete set of services, including product design, production process design, equipment manufacturing, installation and commissioning, spare parts and raw materials to assist in the procurement of post-production assistance, etc. Years of experience in the industry has enabled us to have a deep understanding of the products that are popular in different markets, such as India, Southeast Asia. Popular 10 to 50 liters of electric water heaters in the Middle East, 50 to 150 liters of electric water heaters in South America, 50 to 200 liters of gas water heaters, etc. We will provide targeted, cost-effective design and solutions according to your needs and market characteristics to reduce your overall production costs. If you have plans to update your production line or to build a fully automated production line similar to the video, please feel free to contact us.